A wildfire is a controlled fire that rapidly spreads through vegetation, often fueled by lightning, dry conditions, and strong winds.
Wildfires pose seriously dangerous hazards, including destruction of property, loss of wildlife or human life, severe air pollution, and significant ecological damage.
Although we cannot stop lightning from striking, it's essentially important to manage vegetation carefully, dispose of smoking materials responsibly, and follow local regulations regarding fire use and outdoor activities.
During a wildfire, you should promptly evacuate if instructed, calmly monitor updates, call fire emergency if you saw a wildfire, and securely close windows and doors to prevent smoke from entering.
Do not ignorantly disregard evacuation orders. Try to fight the fire yourself or return home too soon after the fire has passed